Good day, dear friends. Today we're talking about the Russian Borsh. Many friends of mine and many subscribers ask me to show how to cook real Russian Borsh. So I promised so many times, so now I keep my promise. In my video I will show you how to cook real Russian Borsh. Couple of words about this. We have different kind of Borsh. Borsh with meat, Borsh with vegetables only, with red beans inside. We have even green Borsh. Also we have the summer Borsh. So all these different kind of Borsh I will tell you later on. Today I'm gonna prepare basic Russian Borsh with meat. Step by step I show you how to do it, and I'll also show you my small secrets when I prepare in the Russian Borsh. At the end of the video I will show you how to serve it right way, and then up to you if you like or not. But anyway, we start it now. All ingredients what you need for the Borsh. Okay, we're gonna prepare typical Russian Borsh with meat. This is the beef breast with bones. Guys, more important, meat supposed to be with bones. Please believe me, it will be good taste. Okay, also for this one we need beetroot, of course fresh, not frozen, carrot, fresh, not frozen, potato, onions, garlic, tomato paste, white cabbage, one of the chili pepper, but it's up to you if you like hot or not. Also fresh dill and fresh parsley. Okay, this is all ingredients. I'm not talking about the salt, pepper, bay leaves. All these things I can tell you later on when I start cooking my Borsh. Okay, these basically ingredients set up for one good Russian Borsh. All this product you can buy in supermarket. You can buy this meat frozen, you can buy them fresh, it's up to you. And all these vegetables from a market, of course fresh. By the way, the onion from our plant, and the garlic also. Beetroot we already bought in the supermarket, because now it's winter time, all vegetables nearly finished. Okay guys, I just show you the ingredients. I just told you already this short story about Russian Borsh. Next step will be step by step preparation of the Russian Borsh. How to cook him right way. Okay guys, I put piece of meat, beef with the bones, beef breast, in my saucepan. Place cold water on the top. After that I will put in boil it for a hot plate. I think at least for a 3 hours for very low temperature. I want to make sure the meat will be boiled. During this operation I get nice beef bouillon for my Borsh. And remember, please, do not do any high fire, just very slow heat. Let them boil very slow, around 3 hours. Okay? During this period, do not do anything with this meat or with this bouillon. In my next step, I will show you what to do later to prepare really Russian Borsh. ladies and gentlemen, we continue to cook our borscht. In this part I will show how to manage vegetables. Carrot, beetroot, onion. I'm not gonna take them all, I just show you the principle of this, then you can do yourself. The principle, all vegetables supposed to be all one side, like this, 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 like this. See? So this is a beetroot, carrot, onion. Onion we can do like this. Also, because later on we have to manage all these vegetables together. We have to cook them together. I will show you how to do this. Okay, onion nearly done. Onion nearly done. Like this. Okay, beetroot. Beetroot also we can do like this. Yes, it's done. Okay, now I just show you also the carrots. You can do like this. As thin as possible. As thin as possible, because the carrot a little bit hard, but it's okay. Then you can manage like this also, the carrots. Also, the carrots, the onion, the beetroots must be all the same size. And also watch out for the finger. Always keep your finger like this to prevent any cut. This cooking safety. Okay? So now you have the vegetables already sliced. Later on I will finish this one. In my next part I will show you how to cook inside the frying pan. Also please pay attention for this one. This is my secret. In this small saucepan, 4 big pieces of the beetroot. I'm gonna put him boil for a 2 hour, for very long, very low fire, very low temperature for a 2 hour. But more important, we need the juice from this one. This is my secret. Later on I will tell you what we have to do with this juice from this beetroot. It will be additional juice. Okay, in my next step of borscht preparation, I will show you how to cook all these vegetables inside the frying pan, and will be next step to finish our borscht. So, in touch. Okay guys, now about the meat. If you remember from previously, to make nice bouillon for our borscht, we use the beef breast with bones. Bouillon is already cooked. I remove the boiled meat outside. I take out all the bones, and also I take out all the fat because of the cholesterol. Nobody needs the cholesterol. Yes? And now we have pure piece of meat already boiled. I already slice him on pieces. So, no bones, no fat, only beef meat, boiled one. Now this meat, this piece of meat, I will put to my saucepan to boil it. And my next video I show you other process how to finish to cook Russian borscht. In touch. Guys, now I'll show you how must be sliced the potato and cabbage for borscht. It's more important thing. Fresh potato already cleaned and sliced like these pieces. Yeah, I'll show you. And the white cabbage already sliced as thin as possible. Please, as thin as possible. Better taste. More important things. When you bouillon with your meat ready and meat ready, after that you have to put potato inside. Okay? Then I'll show you what to do later on when my vegetables, carrots, beetroots and onion and other things will be ready in other saucepan, and later on I'll show you how to put all together. And please remember, the cabbage you have to put in the last moment. This is a really trick and regulation, tradition in Russia, because the cabbage not must to be overcooked. It's supposed to be in a normal condition. Okay, I see you in my next video regarding the Russian Borsh. Okay guys, our vegetables already cooked in a frying pan. Oh, skin is coming. Okay. Supposed to be cooked inside. Carrot, beetroot, onion. Just onion. Please do not make him over fried. Just cook him together. Time to time mix, please. And also, now, all these vegetables I'm gonna put little bit salt, just little bit. I'm gonna put just little bit tomato paste, but I wanna show you this is our own tomato paste from our garden, from our tomato, just little bit. Okay, maybe one more. It's okay. Then you have to mix. But you can use ordinary tomato paste. And my tip for you, do not put in much, otherwise will be too sour. Will be too sour. Then, to keep the color of the borscht, I take the vinegar, 9% of vinegar, just little bit. Okay, voila, it's all inside. Do not make him overcook, do not make him over fried. Cook them in a low temperature, and when it will be ready, you have to put inside the main saucepan when we cook the borscht. But this is a part when you cook the vegetables, very important. Carrot, beetroot, onion, tomato paste, little bit salt, and 9% little bit vinegar. Vinegar, they keep very nice the color of the borscht. But do everything proper way. Do not put much vinegar, do not put much tomato paste. Otherwise it will be very sour. So now we'll wait until all these vegetables will be cooked. The borscht nearly done, nearly cooked. Salt already inside, all vegetables already inside, and also one more trick what I showed you before, the beetroot what you boil separate, the juice from this beetroot we just add it. Yes. Okay, this will be better color and will be better taste. Also, end of the cooking, we have to put the bay leaves. The bay leaves. And last step, and the end, we have to put inside chopping parsley, chopping onion, chopping garlic, and a little bit chili pepper. But if you like hot, if you don't like hot, don't put any chili pepper. Okay, will be continued. Okay guys, I sliced already parsley, dill, garlic and little bit chili peppers. But once again, it's up to you. If you don't like hot, you don't have to put the chili peppers. So guys, all the things will be the last part what we put inside the borscht. This will be the last part because borscht nearly ready, so we put them inside and close the cover of the saucepan. So like I said, it was the last part. Borscht ready. In the last part we put the parsley, dill, chop it garlic and chop it chili pepper little bit. Now I'm gonna close the cover of the saucepan, and my advice for you, let them stay until minimum 1 hour before you're gonna eat them. So borscht is ready, left him for 1 hour, then you can eat him. Okay, borscht is ready. I close the cover of the saucepan. Okay guys, our borscht is ready. I hope he is okay. In Russian tradition, when we serve the borscht, we put on the top little bit more parsley and dill, but it's up to you. Also we put 1 spoon of the sour cream. Also it's up to you, but in traditional we put the sour cream inside the borscht. Also we use black bread for this, additional greens, garlic, maybe chili pepper, and also Russian speck. In Russia we call them salo. It's made from pork, kind of bacon. Russian speck, salad. So like this, black bread, speck, bacon, garlic, additional greens, 50 grams of Russian vodka, if you like, no problem. Then Russian Borsh with sour cream. So I hope this video was useful for you. Now you know how to cook real Russian Borsh. If you're interested in this, you can subscribe to my channel, and later on I will make more and more nice video. Then if you have some questions, please ask me in the comments. I wish you good luck. Bye bye.